Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we will dive deep into the fascinating world of Google Autodraw and learn how to create a stunning glass bottle. Get ready to unlock your artistic potential and witness the magic of Autodraw. For that, first you need to go to the website, that is autodraw.com, or you can simply search Autodraw on Google, and there you have it. And once you have your canvas, it's time to draw a rough sketch for your bottle. For that, I'll start with the head. And then I will start drawing the rest of the part of the bottle. You see, this sketch is very horrible, but this will still work in the Google Autodraw. And that's the beauty of it. Here, just simply select this, and voila, there you have it. You can simply just click it, and you can place it anywhere you want. Also, you can change its color. Simply just click on this fill. Here, select any color that you want. You can change the color of pen. And there you have it. Now let's place it right here and draw another one. You don't need to be specific about that. You just simply need to give a right direction for the artificial intelligence to identify what you are drawing. Here, just select the second bottle. Again, select this icon, shrink it down, place it right here, select the fill, and change its color. I see these colors are horrible, but we will go with this now. This is just an example, so you can, I know my colors are horrible, but for now we'll go with this. And there you have it. Now let's move on and draw another one. Once you see I have drawn this, there are some options above. This is the cap of a glass bottle. And these are the glasses. And these are the bottoms as well. Let's select this, decrease its size a little bit, change its color, select the fill. And there you go. Now select all of them and place it right here. You can select the text and write the glass bottles. You can increase the size just like that. And there you have it. And congratulations on creating your very own glass bottle using Google's Autodraw. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.